Hello, I'm Pete and I'm developing the game A Way to Light. Today I want to show you how I made the crafting system. If you see something weird, please leave me a comment. I already have an inventory system, so I have an inventory item and a collectible item. An inventory item has one collectible item, and the collectible item has one crafting recipe. The crafting recipe consists of multiple inventory items, so we know how many items are needed to craft it. In the code you see that the collectible item is a scriptable object, which can be created as an asset. Each collectible item has a type, a crafting recipe, an icon for the UI, and a prefab. The crafting recipe is also a scriptable object. It has a name, a list of needed items, a crafting result which is added to the inventory when it's ready, and a crafting time. The inventory item class has the collectible item, the amount of the item, and some getters for the collectible item type, crafting recipe, icon, and prefab. When you create your assets in Unity, it should look like this. So for example, you have a stone and a wood collectible, and a wood plank crafting recipe, which needs 5 wood to be crafted. The items are now ready to be processed, so we need a crafting process for that. I decided to make a crafting table, where you can select the crafting recipe, which should be crafted. Then there is a crafting task which defines which item is crafted. So the crafting table sends a crafting task to the crafting controller. The crafting controller has a queue, which is processed over time. The crafting controller also has an active task list, so there can be more running crafting tasks at once. After a crafting recipe is ready crafted, it will be added to the player's inventory. So in the code you see the crafting task class which has the recipe, the crafting table which started the task, the remaining time of the task, and a unique task ID. The crafting table class has a list of available crafting recipes, so every crafting table can include different recipes. There are also some UI toolkit references which are used to draw the crafting recipes on the crafting table. The draw crafting recipes method loops through every available crafting recipe and adds a craft button, which sends the crafting tasks to the current crafting controller. The crafting controller has a limit for the queue items and a limit for the parallel processed crafting tasks. There are also events when a recipe is added and removed from the queue, and there are also events when a crafting task is started or when it has finished. The add crafting task method also checks if the current player has got the needed items for the crafting recipe in its inventory. The process active crafting tasks method reduces the time remaining variable till it's 0. Then the complete crafting task method adds the current crafting recipe result to the player's inventory. And that's it, how I made the crafting system for A Way to Light. Let's have a look at the result.